to Cara's Toys. Today we're going to be looking at the Dr. Sonic Screwdriver. It's really hard to say that word. Okay, so it's from season 11 of Doctor Who. As you know, if you've watched it, you've seen this before. And the Doctor, well, it depends what season. Well, they use it to, so imagine this is a person, this plant. I do this, and then we come back, and it just tells the Doctor if it's safe or not. And yeah, the button to make it work, do that, is this one. It's really awesome, isn't it? And there's another button to make it just light up. Voila. And then it slowly fades away. Like that. I love Doctor Who. It's so cool. Season 11 was amazing. There was so many monsters, like a tooth monster that kills people so that it can take teeth. Odd, right? And it killed his little friends and family. And there was a Rosa Parks one on October. All about how people, they changed, somebody went back in time and they changed Rosa Parks. So, yeah, it's really, really odd. And then Doctor had to go save it and make sure that happened. Wow. And so, guys, I love this. It's like, what else is better than the Dr. Sonic Screwdriver? So guys,